The universe is a vast and ever-moving tapestry of celestial objects. Planets orbit stars, moons dance around planets. And sometimes these celestial bodies align in such a way that they create breathtaking cosmic events. A lunar eclipse is one such event. A lunar eclipse occurs when the sun, earth, and moon align in a nearly perfect straight line. The earth, positioned between the sun and the moon, casts its shadow upon the lunar surface, causing an eclipse. This doesn't happen every month because the moon's orbit around Earth is slightly tilted. There are three types of lunar eclipses: total, partial, and penumbral. During a total lunar eclipse, the Earth's shadow completely covers the moon. A partial lunar eclipse occurs when only a portion of the moon passes through the Earth's shadow. A penumbral lunar eclipse is the least dramatic, as the moon passes through the Earth's outer shadow, resulting in a subtle dimming of the lunar surface. These celestial ballets are not just visually stunning, they are reminders of the intricate workings of our solar system. They offer a glimpse into the dynamic relationships between the celestial objects that grace our night sky. Mark your calendars, sky enthusiasts. A total lunar eclipse is set to grace our skies on the night of March 13th to 14th, 2025. This celestial spectacle will be visible in its entirety across North and South America, offering millions a chance to witness the moon's transformation. The eclipse will unfold in several stages, each with its own unique characteristics. The penumbral eclipse, a subtle dimming of the moon's brightness, will commence at 11:57 p.m. Eastern Time on March 13th. The partial eclipse, where the Earth's shadow takes a noticeable bite out of the moon, begins at 1:09 a.m. on March 14th. The main event, totality, begins at 2:26 a.m. Eastern Time. This is when the moon is fully engulfed in the Earth's shadow, taking on a dramatic reddish hue. Peak totality, the moment of maximum eclipse, occurs at 2:55 a.m. Totality ends at 3:31 a.m., followed by the conclusion of the partial eclipse at 4:47 a.m. and the penumbral eclipse at 6 o'clock a.m. For those in other time zones, consult a reliable time and date website to determine the precise viewing schedule for your location. Remember, whether you're on the East Coast catching the eclipse in the early morning hours, or on the West Coast enjoying the show before bedtime, this celestial event is one not to be missed. The March 2025 total lunar eclipse will be a celestial spectacle visible across a large swath of the globe. North and South America are in prime position for this event, with the entire eclipse visible from start to finish. From the bustling cities of the United States and Canada to the southern tip of South America, millions will have front-row seats to this cosmic performance. While North and South America enjoy the full spectacle, other parts of the world won't be left entirely in the dark. Western Europe, including countries like Spain, France, and the United Kingdom, will witness totality just as the moon sets below the horizon. Similarly, parts of Western Africa, such as Cape Verde, Morocco, and Senegal, will experience totality coinciding with moonset. In East Asia, the eclipse will be visible at moonrise, offering a unique perspective as the partially eclipsed moon ascends into the night sky. New Zealand will also catch the later stages of the eclipse as the moon rises. Though not everyone will experience the eclipse in its entirety, the vast majority of the world will have the opportunity to witness at least a portion of this celestial ballet. One of the most remarkable aspects of a lunar eclipse is that it can be enjoyed without any specialized equipment. Unlike solar eclipses, which require special eye protection, lunar eclipses are perfectly safe to view with the naked eye. Simply step outside, find a location with a clear view of the sky, and let the celestial show unfold before your eyes. While no special equipment is required, binoculars or a telescope can enhance the viewing experience. These instruments magnify the moon's surface, allowing you to observe the Earth's shadow moving across the lunar landscape in greater detail. You'll be able to discern subtle changes in color and brightness, adding another layer of depth to your observations. For the best possible view, seek out a location away from bright city lights. Light pollution can diminish the brilliance of the night sky, making it harder to fully appreciate the subtle beauty of the eclipse. Consider venturing to a park, a rural area, or even your own backyard if it offers a clear view of the heavens. As you observe the eclipse, take a moment to appreciate the vastness of the cosmos and the intricate dance of celestial bodies that make such an event possible. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the universe and the awe-inspiring beauty that surrounds us. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon undergoes a dramatic transformation, morphing from its usual silvery white glow to a deep coppery red. This eerie yet beautiful phenomenon has earned the total lunar eclipse the nickname Blood Moon. But what causes this dramatic shift in color? The answer lies in the Earth's atmosphere. As sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere, the shorter wavelengths of light, such as blue and green, are scattered away. The longer wavelengths, such as red and orange, are less scattered and are able to pass through the atmosphere and reach the moon's surface. Imagine the Earth's atmosphere acting like a giant lens, bending and filtering the sun's light. The reddish hues that reach the moon during a total lunar eclipse are essentially the combined light of all the sunrises and sunsets happening on Earth at that moment. It's a stunning example of how our planet can transform the appearance of celestial objects, creating a visual spectacle that has captivated skywatchers for centuries. The March full moon holds a special place in many cultures, often associated with the arrival of spring in the northern hemisphere. It is traditionally known as the worm moon, a name derived from the emergence of earthworms as the ground begins to thaw. This name, along with many other traditional full moon names, originates from Native American folklore and has been passed down through generations. Adding another layer of intrigue to the March 2025 total lunar eclipse is the fact that it coincides with a micromoon. A micromoon occurs when the full moon coincides with the moon being at its farthest point from Earth in its elliptical orbit. As a result, the moon appears slightly smaller in the night sky than an average full moon, though the difference is often subtle to the naked eye. So, as you witness the total lunar eclipse on March 13th to 14th, 2025, remember that you're not just observing a celestial alignment, but also connecting with centuries of cultural traditions and astronomical knowledge. It's a reminder that the sky above is not just a canvas for celestial wonders, but also a reflection of our own human history and understanding of the cosmos. The March 2025 total lunar eclipse is but one act in the ongoing cosmic drama that unfolds above us. The universe is constantly in motion, offering a never-ending series of celestial events for those willing to look up and observe. In the coming months and years, we can look forward to a variety of eclipses, meteor showers, and other astronomical phenomena. On March 29, 2025, just a few weeks after the total lunar eclipse, a partial solar eclipse will grace the skies over parts of Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. Later that year, on September 7th to 8th, another total lunar eclipse will be visible from Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa, and parts of the Americas. And on September 21st, 2025, a partial solar eclipse will be visible from Australia, Antarctica, and some Pacific islands. The celestial calendar is always full of exciting events, offering endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. With a little planning and a sense of wonder, you can experience the awe-inspiring beauty of the cosmos from your own backyard. From the intricate dance of a lunar eclipse to the subtle glow of a micromoon, the universe is brimming with wonders waiting to be explored. As we've journeyed through the science, history, and cultural significance of the March 2025 total lunar eclipse, we've only scratched the surface of the celestial tapestry that unfolds above us. Let this event serve as a reminder to pause, look up, and marvel at the beauty and mystery of the cosmos. Whether you're an experienced astronomer or a casual stargazer, there's always something new to discover in the vast expanse of space. So embrace your curiosity, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions about the universe we inhabit.